Sixth grade Excel, lesson 113, converting decimal numbers to lowest term fractions or mixed numbers. And I've got a studio audience here of some wonderful students. Say hello, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, so here's how you do these problems. 0.35 is equal to 35 hundredths. And is that the lowest terms for that fraction?
No.
So what we're going to learn how to do is reduce the fraction down, divide both of these by 5, and so you get 7/20ths. So 0.35 is really equal to 7/20ths as a fraction. You guys think you can do these?
Yeah.
0.08 is 8 hundredths, right? You can divide both of these by 4 and get 2/25ths. 0.37 is 37 hundredths. Well, what can you divide 37 by? Only 37. That's a prime number. And you're not going to divide 100 by 37, so this is the simplest form. Here's 3 and 38 hundredths. Notice how they wrote 3 and 38 hundredths as a, what's that called?
Fraction.
Whole number and fraction. What do you call it?
Mixed number.
Good, mixed number. Okay, so can you divide both of these by the same number?
No.
38 and 100. What can you divide them both by?
2.
2. They're even. Anytime you have two even numbers, you can always divide it by 2, right? So 38 divided by 2 is 19. 100 divided by 2 is 50. The answer is 3 and 19/50ths. Notice the answer is not 19/50ths. The answer is 3 and 19/50ths. You can't drop that whole number off when you go to write the actual solution. Okay, it's your turn. I've got some words up here. See if you can fill these in on your paper. And then start the video up again when you're ready to see the solutions. So the first one says 0.12, 4.58, 0.30, 0.57, 4.50, and 0.9. And this is what they all look like. All right, let's go ahead and solve these and put them into lowest terms fractions. 0.12, how do you write that as a fraction, everybody?
12 over 100.
12 over 100. Is that reduced?
No.
No. What can you divide both top and bottom by?
2.
2. Can you think bigger than that?
4.
4. Okay, so let's divide by 4. Divide both of those by 4. And 12 divided by 4 is?
3.
And 100 divided by 4?
25.
25. That's the answer for that one. Okay, how do you write the next one as a fraction or a mixed number? 4 and 58 hundredths. Okay, can you divide 58 and 100 by the same number?
Yes.
What?
2.
2. What's half of 58?
50. No, 24.
So the answer is 4 and 29/50ths. Half of 58 is 29. Think half of 60. Half of 60 is 30, and this is half of 58, right?
Okay.
So how do I write this next one as a fraction?
330.
30 hundredths, right? Okay, how do I reduce this? Divide top and bottom by 10, and the answer is?
3 over 10.
3/10. Beautiful. Okay, 0.57 as a fraction is?
57 over 100.
Okay, what can I divide both 57 and 100 by?
2. Wait, no. Nothing.
57 is not even. It's probably not. I can't think of any times table problems that equal 57. 56, right? But not 57. So this is simplest form. How do I write this next one?
4 and 5 tenths. 50
50
over
hundredths, right? And can I reduce 50 over 100?
Yes.
Now don't forget the whole number. 4 and what is 50 hundredths? 1/2, right? Divide top and bottom by what?
5. 50.
By 50. Last one? 9/10, right? It's 9/10. And what does that reduce to?
Nothing.
Nothing. It's just 9/10. All right, here are some more problems. Pause the video and then try these. Turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, let's try this together. Here we go. 0.25. How do I write that as a fraction?
25 over 100.
Good. What can I divide both of those by?
25.
25. So the answer is?
1 over 25? No.
100 divided by 25?
4.
4. 1/4, right? How do I write this one?
3 and 85 hundredths.
Good. And what do I need to write first? For sure. What's going to come first? The 3. Good. And then what can I divide 85 and 100 by?
5.
5. Can you do 85 divided by 5 in your head? What is it? Better do it over here, huh?
Yeah.
5 goes into 8 how many times?
Once.
Remainder?
3.
5 into 35?
7.
So this is 17. And can you do 100 divided by 5?
Yep.
Come on, what's 100 divided by 5?
No. 25. 20.
20, right? Okay. Next one is 90. How do you write this?
95 over 100.
Okay. What can I divide both those by?
5.
5. So look at 85 divided by 5 is 17. What's 95 divided by 5?
19.
19 over? Divide that by 5?
20.
20. Good. Okay, 56.56. What am I going to do with this?
56 over 100.
Good. What can I divide both of those by?
2.
Let's try dividing by 2 first. What's half of 56?
56.
What's half of 100? 50.
No, 23.
23 would be 46, right? What's half of 50?
35.
What's half of 50?
25.
25. What's half of 6?
3.
3. So
28.
28. There you go. Can I reduce this?
Yes.
Divide both by
2.
2. What's the answer? Half of 28?
14.
Half of 50?
25.
Okay, so can I reduce 14 25ths?
No.
Probably not, right? 2 and 7, about the only thing that's going to help with that one, and 14. I'm not going to divide 25 by 14. Okay, got 2 more to go here. 7 and
6400.
64 hundredths. Okay, now, what do you think you can divide both of those by?
4.
4. You think you divide 64 by 4?
2.
Let's try dividing 60. What's 4 into 64? 4 goes into 6.
1.
Remainder?
4.
2. 4 into 24?
6.
6. Look at that. You can divide that by 4. Good one. So the answer is here?
16.
7 and 16. Divide that by 4.
25.
25ths. Good. Last one. 8. Oops, no decimal point. 80 over 100 is equal to?
Divide those 20.
Divide by 10, right? What's
Yeah.
8 tenths?
4 fifths. Yeah.
4 fifths. All right. And here's a checkbox that you're going to do, and then pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solutions. Last ones. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this thing. 4 and
5200.
notice how they give you all this room out here to show your work, which is equal to 4 and what can you divide by? What's half of 52? What's half of 50 and half of 2?
26.
Good. 26.
50.
50. Am I finished?
No, reduce it.
4 and
Divide by 2.
come on, half of 26.
13 over 25.
13 over 25. And it says that what is the denominator of each of these decimal numbers when it is written in lowest term fraction or mixed number. So what's the denominator of this one?
25.
25 goes right here. Okay? 3 and 15 hundredths. What can I divide both of those by?
15.
I can divide 100 by 15?
5.
5. What's 15 divided by 5?
3.
3. What's 100 divided by 5?
20.
20. There you go. Can you reduce 3 20ths?
No.
So what's the answer here?
20.
Good. And how do I write this one?
75 over 100.
What can I divide both by?
25.
25. And this becomes?
3.
And this becomes?
4.
So the answer over here is?
4.
4. Add those up and you should get 49. All right. Thanks for watching.